this is Miss Pearl, Mama Pearl also, and I am showing you my 3-week meal plan box that I just received. It has a couple other things in it, but I wanted to show you the unboxing so we can see what is in it together. All right, I ordered the Luscious, Lemon Luscious cupcakes. So I also have with it in that set the silicone cupcake little container, and it's really nice because they, they'll pop right out because silicone moves. There's actually 2 of these, so awesome. I look forward to trying out some cupcakes or egg bites. I can't eat the eggs, but others in my family can. I have a 3-in-1 spatula. Let's take a look at this. I've heard great things about this. It's a nice silicone. It has kind of a indent on this side for kind of a spoon kind of feel to it. Little side edge for scraping batter. And on this side, it's more rounded. So for mixing and just enjoying all of that. So we got that. Let's see what's next. I have a 4-in-1 spice spoon. It was suggested to me by my upline to get a second one because I will be using one probably for liquids and another one for dry goods. So, on this side I have a half teaspoon, the 1 teaspoon, and the tablespoon. Next, the ground meat separator. I've heard lots of things about this. Let's take a look here. Well, there's an interesting look to it there. Did you look down at the dog?
I did.
Has 3 little blades. It feels very sturdy, so I can break up ground meat. I also have been told that I will be making guacamole with this. Let me not answer that real quick. So, and it has a little silicone here. So I look forward to showing you that when I'm making something. I have the 4-cup prep bowl. The guacamole will be made in this. Let's take it out. It is glass with a silicone top.
Woo!
So nice glass. And silicone top. Nice and easy there. Okay, that's everything in the box. So I look forward to using that and making some goodies for everyone. And up here is my 3-week meals. Oh my. Okay, this is a full box. This is a super full box. Look at this. I have the crispy, crunchy lettuce wraps. Those are brand new. They just were released. The Thai red curry, also new. Somebody's looking forward to it already.
Yeah.
Now, just so you know, all I need to do to make any of these, okay, I have General Tao, is on the back. There is a recipe. Let's see if I can, there's a little flap there. Are you able to see it?
There we go.
So on the recipe, I would just simply pick up the few ingredients. So let's see what we have for this one. Water, well, that one comes out of the house. I think I'm safe. Soy sauce, I don't do gluten, so it's going to be the gluten-free soy sauce.
Tamari.
You want, oh yes.
I like the tamari.
Yes, because that has more flavor. So if you want a richer flavor, do tamari. It's the same thing as soy sauce, but it's brewed a little longer, and it has a richer flavor.
But not as salty.
Definitely not as salty.
Yeah.
Ketchup, chicken, and cornstarch. Let's see. Oil, bell peppers, which we will not do in this house. So if we decide to add a vegetable to replace the bell peppers, I know someone in this house who doesn't mind doing poblanos as a replacement to bell peppers. So for those of you with picky eaters who don't eat bell peppers, poblanos actually taste quite a bit different, but work very well for a recipe like this. All right. Buffalo wings. I have heard so many good things about this. I am really looking forward to making this. I also have a Pampered Chef air fryer that I could make it in. All right, beef and broccoli stir fry. We'll see how the picky eater is about the broccoli part. She can pick them out, right?
Yes.
Alfredo looks very nice and simple. Ingredients: mix with milk. I think I can do that. And let's see, it says you can add in a protein like chicken, shrimp, broccoli, peas, any of those things.
That's the amazing part about Alfredo. You can add just about anything.
And again, ingredients are very, very simplistic. So I don't have any ingredients that I'm going, oh my gosh, what the heck is that?
Ingredients. Okay.
Everything is gluten-free, which is awesome for stomachs. Donair, which
Hold it up.
I'm not quite sure what Donair is, but it looks like it's part of a Greek program.
Kind of looks like a gyro.
I was going to say, I bet it's a gyro seasoning.
Yeah.
These look a lot like gyros.
They do.
And the ingredients are onion, garlic, sea salt, paprika, herbs, spices, and black pepper. Very basic. So I have a feeling that it's just a gyro. Seasoning with ground beef and water. I think I can do that. What do you think? Do you think you can do that?
I don't know.
So when I don't feel well, will you make me dinner?
Oh, maybe. I think that I could probably do that.
You could maybe figure out how to do that.
Maybe, yeah.
And of course, we have the steamer. So you can microwave it in less than 20 minutes.
Woo! I don't know how to work a microwave. Oh, my goodness.
You can bake it in the oven for 1 hour or microwave for 13 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for microwave on that. Sweet and sour stir fry. Rotisserie chicken. I've heard really good things about this one.
It looks pretty.
Would you like to see it?
Yeah, it looks pretty.
Let's see.
With lemons next to it?
Yep, little lemon wedges in there. I see paprika, cornstarch, garlic, sea salt, sumac, chili powder, spices, salt, garlic, rice concentrate, herbs, and black pepper.
Sounds good.
Pretty basic there. Creamy pesto, and of course they're also peanut free, so there should be no nuts in here that I cannot eat. So the only nut I have seen in any of the ingredients was coconut. So I can't do almonds, and that is not in these. Enchilada, which I look forward to making in front of the...
Hold it up.
In front of the camera. I want to do...
There we go.
I'm thinking of doing the black bean one, but we could probably do a ground beef. Let's see, it says I could do black beans. Pretty simplistic here. Okay. Oh, I'm running out of space. Ooh. This will go inside of our cupcake maker. Look at that. Chocolate Temptation cupcakes. Very nice. I look forward to making that.
Those are a good sized cupcake too.
And for the daughter,
Yay!
I made sure I in this kit it had the lemon curd, which is also a new one. And I just found a recipe for this bag seasonings to be used to make a cheesecake.
Yum.
Again, in these little guys. Chocolate fudge.
Chocolate fudge.
Taco. Hopefully my picky eater will eat this taco. She hates tacos nowadays. She used to love them. Let's see, where's my ingredients in here? Tomato powder, cornstarch, chili powder, spices, onion, garlic, herbs, cayenne, and mustard. Maybe she will. Butter chicken. I've already made this.
Butter
It
chicken.
was very good.
It's so good.
We've used all our packets that we had already ordered.
It was delicious.
Oh, more chocolate fudge. Pad Thai. Ooh,
Yummy.
Now, Pad Thai normally has peanuts, and guess what? No peanuts. Organic coconut, palm sugar, garlic, tamarind, onion, tomato, herbs, spices, and chives. No peanuts.
I'll make that for you.
Oh, I think I hear a volunteer for cooking. Maybe I'm going to start getting some help in the kitchen.
Alright, let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Lemon-licious curd again.
Yay!
Another cupcake
Why is there so much chocolate?
for PMS time. Every girl needs chocolate at PMS time or menopause. But for you, PMS.
They don't like chocolate.
And pulled pork. There's only one in here, so
Yay!
I know that you love your pulled pork. And I've heard good things. And ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, water, and a pork shoulder. Pretty simple on this. And let's see. Onion, chili powder, spices, which include salt, garlic, rice concentrate, which is probably the thickener, chipotle chilies, cayenne pepper, and spices. Very simple, and I bet very delicious. So I look forward to making that because we love pulled pork here.
And we're probably going to do it on Hawaiian bread because yum.
Yes, we love it on Hawaiian bread. All done. There you go. I hope that you've enjoyed the 3-week meal plan. So for those who want to not have to worry about what's for dinner, because what's for dinner, honey? We always have to make this decision every day. And every day somebody's asking, what's for dinner, Mom? And some days Mom is tired and just doesn't know. So luckily I can grab one of these. I will probably purchase ingredients for like a week at a time. You know, maybe have some in the freezer for further down the road. The ingredients are for my purchasing is very simple. I mean, soy sauce, ketchup, and cornstarch already in the house. Chicken, that is what I would be picking up. So very easy peasy, and I look forward to making something super fast in the microwave with my multi-purpose steamer over here that is going to cook up a great meal, and hopefully I will remember to videotape it so you can actually see it in action. All right, I hope to see you real soon. Enjoy. Bye.